You know, when Chanel calls, you show up. I have another Chanel unboxing for you guys today, so definitely stay tuned to see what we got. I know that I thoroughly enjoy watching people unbox, give reviews on, new purchases prior to me making those purchases, or even if you're not able to get your hands on those items. Sometimes I just want to watch other people and their excitement about the items that they have been able to score. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's unboxing and my first impression / kind of review of these Chanel sneakers in today's video. Like most of my purchases, these Chanel runners were not the easiest for me to come by, okay? So there's always a story. I always have a story to be telling you guys, and I feel like it's a part of the process in terms of getting some of these luxury items. So if you want to skip ahead to the unboxing, I'll go ahead and I'll link it in the description box below. You can skip ahead, but I thought that I would start this video off by just giving you guys a little bit of a background story in regards to how I got this pair of runners and how excited I was when I actually got them, you guys. So I saw these runners I believe I was on Instagram, and I saw these runners. They must have been on like a curated page. They hadn't been released yet, but you know your girl, I just asked my SA. There is an SA, a beautiful, wonderful SA that I work with here at Chanel, and she has been able to help me get a number of great items. I asked her, I said, those Chanel sneakers that have the little CC logos all over them, do you guys have them? And she was like, she kind of didn't really have, not an idea, but she's like, oh, I don't think those are coming in until for a little bit, whatever. She's like, but if you want to take a look at the upcoming collection, I have the book and you can put your name down on a couple of items. And I was like, okay, perfect, sounds good. So I'm scrolling through, or I'm flipping, not scrolling, because it's not digital, it's a flip book. I'm flipping through the book, and there was 2 items that I was interested in purchasing. So one being the Chanel sneakers that I was able to get my hands on, and then the second being this logo cardigan in gray, which I was not able to be so lucky to be able to get my hands on, but I'm very happy with the item that I was offered. So I put my name down. They said, the Chanel cardigan, the likelihood of you getting that is very slim to none. Although these sneakers are very sought after, I think that you're gonna have a better chance in getting those. And she's like, I'm gonna give you a call probably around mid-June in regards to the Chanel sneakers, if you have been selected for them. So on, I believe it was June, it must have been like June 21st or June 22nd, because based off of my receipt, it was June 21st, actually, you guys. It was June 21st. My SA sent me a message late in the afternoon. It was like after the store had closed, and she said, I got them for you. And she sent me a picture of the sneakers in our text. And I was like, so excited. And I was like, okay, I will come tomorrow to pick them up, because I don't know if it's like this at your guys' store, and you guys can let me know down in the comment section below if it does work like this. You have like a 24-hour window to pick up your item, at which time if you do not pick up your item, it is then released to the next person on the list. So I didn't want to risk that happening. So I went first thing, I think on my lunch break, not first thing in the morning, you guys. I actually went to work this time. But I went on my lunch break and I went to pick up these beautiful runners. Now, I thought they were super interesting when I saw them, and I loved them even more in person. So I was super excited when I was able to actually get my hands on these runners. In conclusion, getting these sneakers was not such a quest in comparison to some of the other items. And if you've watched some of my other Chanel unboxings or review videos, then you would know that, your girl has struggled with getting some Chanel items, but nonetheless, I love these runners. I'm so happy that I was offered them. So thank you to my beautiful SA here in Calgary. You know who you are, for being able to get these runners for me. If you guys want to be in the know prior to me uploading these videos, because sometimes it does take me a little bit longer to upload these videos, you guys follow me over on my Instagram channel because I usually upload like a sneak peek of some of these items prior to me doing a full review video here on my YouTube, okay? Now, let's get into some of the stats, a little bit of a review on the item. I'm not gonna do like a whole big thing, you guys. I wanna keep this short and sweet because there's so many review videos on these runners. I thought that these ones were more exclusive because they were a part of the 22A collection, and I've never seen these ones before, at least not in person. I have seen them on Instagram. And then I believe that in 22C, they also were released in the reverse. Like, so where mine are white suede, they are black suede. That's what I mean by in the reverse. Chanel has a couple of different styles of sneakers, or tennis shoes as they are categorized on their website. These ones are more of your traditional trainer. I would call them a little bit more similar to like a dad sneaker. They are definitely very fashion girl. There's so many different ways that you can wear them. They are a very versatile shoe. This model of runner, Chanel does in multiple different colorways. They are released every single season. Sometimes they're done in like a suede, other times they're done in leather. So just depending on what you're looking for, you can continue to watch like the releases. Stop into your local store, which I definitely do suggest that you do stop in, build a relationship with your SA so that they understand what you're going to be looking for, and then I feel like you're more likely to get those items. Like, for example, me, I told my Chanel SA, hey, I was looking for a pair of runners, and I told her this about 2 years ago, and she was like, hold out, hold out, hold out. She's like, just wait, I feel like something better is gonna come, just wait, I feel like something's better gonna come. And then these ones came. If you don't see something that you want in this collection, you guys just wait. More of these runners are gonna be able, or more of these runners are going to come out over time in different colorways. So don't rush a purchase just to say that you have a pair of Chanel runners, if you know what I mean. In terms of what's inside of the box when you purchase these sneakers, I just wanted to kind of give you an overview, even though you might have seen this inside of the unboxing. You do get an extra pair of laces. These ones are a flat lace that are in the color black. You then will also get a dust bag for each shoe. So 2 dust bags for your shoes. So these are my shoes. I have worn them once, and I will let you guys know that prior to me wearing them outside, I did wear them inside one day just to kind of get a feel of what they were gonna feel like, and what kind of, not only in terms of like the style, how they were going to, how can I word this? how they were going to look in terms of style, but also what kind of occasion it was going to be good to be wearing them. Because even though they are sneakers, there are sneakers out on the market that are not comfortable. Like, for example, my Chloe sneakers that I have, I would have gone down half a size to a full size because they are a fully calfskin leather. They have stretched over time, and now I feel like I'm doing like skater girl vibes in those sneakers. So I wore them around the house just to get a feel of how they would wear for a longer period of time. These are my Chanel sneakers, and what I was telling you was that I did take these to my local shoemaker, and I did have them sprayed prior to me wearing them outside to ensure that they didn't get stained, because these ones are a suede material. These sneakers are made in Italy. I did get my true designer size, like most of my shoes, and I did get a 37. I will say that they do fit a little bit snugger than some of my other sneakers that I do have in a size 37. So if you're unable, like in my opinion, I do have a wider foot though. And I've heard that some people go down half a size, but that wasn't the case for me. If I was unable to get my hands on a size 37, I could have easily worn a size 37.5 as well. That still would have fit me because these ones are snug, although I do think that they are gonna stretch out a little bit, and not tight, I just mean snug. Like they definitely are more form-fitting. You definitely can feel the arch support in these in comparison, I can speak, you guys, in comparison to some of my other designer sneakers. So I do think that they are definitely made well. The inside of these sneakers is definitely very cushiony. As you can see, there is that arch support here. The interior is a white mesh, you guys. I'm nervous because I'm not good with white. Like, I'm always like on the go. I'm eating on the go. I'm doing my makeup on the go. So I sometimes have little dirty digits, okay? Like I do wipe my hands with baby wipes, but I always feel like maybe I'm touching my face. So I am trying my best to keep these as clean, as pristine as I possibly can. Now I want to let you guys know, if you are still looking for these sneakers, I have seen them being sold on eBay. I did see like a size 36 this morning when I was doing some research to upload this video. So if you really, really want these sneakers and you're unable to get your hands on the reverse colorway, or you're not interested in the reverse colorway, there is always the possibility that you could get them from a reseller, because I have seen them online. All of that information was really to be said that, you know, depending on the way that your foot is, I'm like walking the shoes. Depending on the way that your foot is, these may be very comfortable to you, because I have had people say that Chanel sneakers are like the most comfortable sneakers they ever worn. And I think that's for people that maybe have higher arches, because they do have a good amount of arch support in them. Although if you were maybe more flat-footed, that may be slightly uncomfortable for you. I don't think I'm either a flat-footed or have super high arches, but I definitely find these shoes to be very comfortable for me, even in having a wider foot, you guys. So I definitely do suggest Chanel sneakers, even if in this specific style, even if you're unable to get your hands on this specific pair. Anyways, you guys, that is all for today. I'm gonna go and admire my beautiful sneakers, maybe prance around in front of my mirror. Don't forget to check out one of my other videos here that you guys may be interested in, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I have one more video to film today, and then on the plane I'm going to be editing these for you guys to be uploading, so I have a lot of stuff coming up. But definitely check out one of these other videos that I have over here linked. Until next time, you guys, see ya.